Okay, so this video is about my 5 favorite features of first class software. Number one is the dashboard. So, the dashboard is really designed to help you understand how your business is performing right now at this moment. So, things like just knowing your active student or active enrollment numbers is really important because that's probably the most important metric, or one of the most important metrics in terms of a performance of a sports business. We can also see cancelled students for the month. So these are the students that have dropped out, and obviously retention is critical to business success. So you can get a measure of this. Perhaps equally as important is new students. So this allows you to see how many new students you have for the month. And then we've got all sorts of graphs and charts here. So you can see trends. Are your active student numbers trending up or down, etc.? So this all is designed to give you a really quick overview of how your business is performing right at this point, and is it trending in the positive or perhaps a negative direction. So that is my first favorite feature of first class. My second favorite feature of first class is the weekly scheduling view. And what I love about the weekly scheduling view is that it has some really powerful filters, and these filters allow you to quickly get the information you need. So, for example, if I wanted to find a student in a dolphin class, I can filter by dolphin, and that will show me all the dolphin classes available throughout the current week. What's extra powerful about these filters is I can add multiple. So if I then said I want to see the dolphin and the seahorse beginner classes, I can filter both of those at the same time. And that comes in useful when you might have a family with 2 different children in 2 separate levels, and the parent may want to find a time where they can get both of their children into different levels. So this becomes really powerful there. You can also filter things like the classes which are open. So if I click on that, it will remove all the classes that are already full and leave the ones that are available remaining. So that's just a few examples of the filters that are available. There's also filters for time, booking status, and a number of different filters that can make getting the information you need quick and easy. My third favorite feature of first class is the daily view. So what's really cool about the daily view is it displays everything you need to know about your lessons on the one screen. So I can see all of my teachers, and I can actually display this by area or by teacher. So maybe I want to see it set in terms of my areas or lanes, or I can display it by teacher. So this is powerful because I can really see everything I need to see on the one screen. I can see the time of my classes down the side. So here in this example, I can see everything that's happening at 4 p.m. I can see who's got what class. I can see the students that are in that classes. I can even see things like absences. So people that have perhaps said they're not going to be coming. And the good thing about first class is that parents can actually record an absence in advance through their portal or through their app. So all of this flows through to give you a comprehensive one view of everything that's happening on that particular day. You can also print this view out if you want to have a printed copy, but all of this makes it very easy to see what's going on in your organization. The fourth favorite feature of First Class is the class view or skill tracking. So this is fantastic because you can see in one comprehensive view all of the progress of the students for specific skills. So what makes this extra unique is that everything is on the one page. So it's very optimized for using this in a mobile nature, usually like on a tablet or an iPad or something like that. So it makes grading the skills and the competencies of the students very easy because you've got everything on the one page. The beauty here is as well, you can have your own grading system. So you can choose the words that are your grading progressions. So in this example, we've got completed, attempted, and in progress. Other clients of ours will use words like introduced, refining, competent, etc. And we've found that the more descriptive that you make these grading options, the easier it is for the parent to understand the progress of their child. And we've found that that's a really critical element in retaining customers, because if the parent's kept in the loop and can see progress and can understand that maybe they haven't passed this level, but they're making progress and forward momentum in a lot of these skills, then they're going to generally be happy with the performance of your team. So this is really critical because this ties into our portal and app where parents can get notifications and can clearly see the progress that their child is making. Down the bottom here, you can bulk send progress reports, which is really cool in terms of keeping that communication up with the parents. So that is the class views and the skill tracking. The fifth and final element that I want to share in terms of my favorite features of First Class is the communication. So this can get really segmented. So I can send communication or an email or an SMS to all the students that are actively swimming or actively involved. But maybe I just want to communicate with people on a Tuesday because we need to cancel lessons. To do that, I can just segment and filter for Tuesday, click select all, click email or SMS. So let's say I want to send an SMS and I can say classes cancelled today, et cetera, et cetera. So to get these targeted communications out literally take 30 seconds. And you can filter really specifically. Maybe I just want to communicate to all the people in a dolphin level on a Tuesday. So if I apply that, I can see there's only 8 students that meet that criteria. So the communication in terms of being able to target specific groups is very powerful. On top of that, the communication elements of First Class allow you to automate a lot of communications, from onboarding sequences to missed lessons to overdue payments and fees. You can automate a lot of those touch points that you would normally have to manually action and follow up. So that is our 5 most favorite features of First Class. There's obviously a lot more to the system, from the customer portal to the app to the reports, and a bunch of other features from makeup lessons to online bookings. But if you are keen to know more about what First Class can offer your business, we recommend that you organize a demo with our team. So if you'd like to do that, go to our website, firstclassretention.com, and fill in a form and one of our team will be in touch. Thanks again and have a great day.